to his box. Yeah. Damn. What? Did you see that?
Took his head right off.
Welcome.
Welcome, foolish
mortals,
to the haunted mansion. Oh, that's another show.
Welcome to D-Clan.
The D-Clan Demon Slayer.
Demon Slayer Day, which we love Demon Slayer. So we are super excited to get into this.
Yes,
we have we're dropping 4 videos this week.
Yeah, Demon Slayer. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, welcome, and hit that thumbs up button, share it, all that good stuff. And if not, you know the spiel because you're part of the D-Clan family anyway.
What's up? And our Patreon family, you know how we feel. Mwah. Love you guys.
That's it. Without further ado, guys.
Let's do it.
Let's get into the reaction. Love you all. Thank you so much for the comments, guys. We love the new comments, too, coming on, too, from the new ones. The blood of the 12. Is it loud enough?
I have something in my eye. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Turn it on, please.
Hear him saying Inosuke in this one.
Inosuke.
Yeah. Appreciate the heads up. Inosuke.
I can do 2.
Bye. Her son was leaving and said goodbye.
It was super emotional.
It was a great scene. I can't wait for him to get the husband. Did you see him say, "I thought demons don't grow up"?
They don't group up.
Oh, group up, not grow up.
Group. What the hell?
Is this even possible?
Is that even possible?
That would freak you the you-know-what out. Okay, so yes, here's where the noble king would help us skip if we had a site that we could just hit skip. And I try not to skip too fast because I don't want to skip into the...
You must master a single
you saw it?
Thing.
Okay. Spider with a human face. That reminds me of a Close Encounters or an Outer Limits back when I was a little kid, and it was shot I think in the 1960s or 50s. These ants had human faces on. Do you remember that? It's like an episode with ants, and they had human faces on the heads or something. It's
like arachnophobia.
The crap out of me as a kid.
Ugh, spiders are creepy. So is it like a daddy long leg, and he's like the daddy?
No, this is one of the brothers or sons or something. So he has different powers than like with the other.
Yeah, that's the dad, babe. That's definitely the dad.
But the dad that was beating the mom had like long hair.
True.
He was bigger and
true.
tall.
So who is this?
This is like
you think he's just another
sibling
powerful
or something? Yeah.
Demon.
Yeah. I mean,
Zenitsu needs to kill him. He needs to do his like trance and kill him. Her girlfriend. Ooh.
That's one way to get him down out of the tree.
Oh, that's how he's changed his hair color. I was wondering that. I bet he got powers from it.
They did it so fast. They tell you how he changed his hair color so fast. They don't mess around on this.
Oh, don't hate yourself. Ugh.
Look at his hand.
Yep, here he goes. Did he? Yeah, he fell into a trance. I can't wait to see what he does.
Look, thunder breathing.
Yeah, he turns.
Form.
Yeah, he's so cool.
He is.
He like goes into a meditative state. Ooh, shit.
Love it. Love it.
He's so stoic too. It's so badass.
Yeah, right.
Make his head hard.
No, he's saying about the steel. That's life, guys.
Just believe.
That's life.
Just believe. Don't listen to him.
It's a peach. He's eating a peach.
Shit. Because he's starting to turn. Come on, Zenitsu.
Whoa!
He's going to shake him off. Come on, come on. Sorry, I'm like really into it.
Look.
To his box, yeah. Damn. What? Did you see that?
Took his head right off. That demon was nasty.
Was I cut? Me?
That's a spider.
Zenitsu.
But what about his poison that's in him?
Probably he'll die. I mean, he won't.
But he's already been poisoned, so he has to get... Well, yeah, maybe if he... Oh, well, he moved him enough. So, listen, what happens? Okay, does that... That was awesome.
You can. You can. He wants to dream that.
Calm down. Father. He's a 12.
Okay, so there's the dad.
There's the dad.
Yeah. Now we need...
Look at...
Need all of them. We need Zen.
Oh, it didn't cut through his arm.
Because he's one of those 12. So now we're seeing really how strong they are. What's he ranked?
Damn, that episode.
Oh, shit, it's over. I'm like...
You gotta watch.
I didn't realize it was over already.
He's cool looking. We saw him in the last
Yeah.
episode. Who is he?
But it's my natural color.
That was
cool.
Okay, so I want to see more of that
Got
guy.
one more.
Okay, right back. We'll be right back.
Look at her wings. Oh my god, I love her kimono, hun.
Oh, how her kimono looks like wings.
Looks like a butterfly.
They're both really cool looking.
She must be able to jump or fly or do something crazy like that.
Oh, this is the intro again. Okay.
You know how he had the rock, how he had to find that one spot in the rock?
Or because he's a level 12, he needs help from those two that are coming.
Yeah.
Whoa, let's go back a little further.
Oh, there we go.
A forged
bond.
See?
A forged bond.
Oh, it did go through.
Yeah, it did, but it's not going all the way through.
Wait, oh, it didn't go through him at all. Even all, and Osuke's not a match for him yet.
Oh shit! He trapped him.
Wouldn't that be dope if he got stuck under there?
Oh crap!
No way it's gonna be this easy. He's about to do something totally mind-blowing.
I love that he knows it. I hope he does it.
He called him the wrong name again, babe.
I did?
No. Inosuke called Tanjiro the wrong name.
Oh, did he?
He called him Kentaro.
Whatever you do, don't die. Where is he sending him off to?
He knocked him out of the park is where he sent him off to. He hit a home run. Babe, he called him the wrong name again. That is awesome. Oh, it's her.
She does fly.
That's really cool.
Oh, I love.
Like
She's
a butterfly.
by far my favorite demon.
Wow. Slayer. Right?
Slayer. Ugh.
Is this the brother maybe hitting his sister or something? Or the dad hitting the daughter? Oh, it's a brother picking on the sister. Because he's dad.
He's cutting her face.
何見てるの？見せ物じゃないんだけど。何してるんだ？君たちはダメだ！よせ！
Oh shit, babe.
I mean, I can't say I didn't see that.
この鬼を倒したらすぐに行くから。必ず助けに行くから。お前、今言ったこと、もう一度言ってみて。ねえ、言ってよ。ああ、何度でも言ってやる。お前の絆は偽物だ。
Damn.
He's a big boy.
Come on, he's got to do something.
I think the other guy's going to show up to help him. I hope.
How do you cut through something that won't cut with a sword? Oh shit. He ran right for him. Oh, he got
chopped
it.
through it. Oh, shoot. Now that reminds me of those things you did when you were a kid where you put your...
That's what he had the very first time when I said it.
But remember you said it the other day?
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Okay.
new battery.
Oops, that was my pen.
I'm trying to think if I'm too close over. Oh.
It's true. What
Inosuke's
doesn't hurt doesn't
tough.
hurt. He is tough.
Inosuke's like stubborn tough, like we're like hard-headed tough. His hand grew back. Now he's going into a different form.
Exactly.
You know, he's going into a different new form.
No, but...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit. Looks like Venom.
He just took the word. I was just about to say it.
I had to beat you to it.
I was about to say it and you said it.
Yeah, it's definitely...
What? No, that other guy's going to show up.
He's remembering all of this.
He needs new swords. That other guy got to show up.
Oh, shit.
That other guy got to show up. Come on. What is taking that guy so long?
Come on, guys.
Dude.
Get to him. Oh. Yes. Who? What is that?
It's
Who
that
was
guy. It's the guy that came with the girl, the butterfly girl that you like.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm like, dude, what were you like on your phone? Thank goodness he showed up.
I want to clap. They both showed up
Look.
at the right time.
水の呼吸死の型
Okay, I like this.
Yeah,
thing.
he's cool looking
Let's
too.
go. Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, shoot. He just... That's how much they have to level up, is what they're showing you.
Yeah, exactly.
Damn.
こんなすげえやつ初めて見た
Sanjiro's gonna get there.
わかる刺激臭も薄まってきた痛みに
Move.
No, we did not leave on that. Do we have another one?
No, that was this.
This one.
Damn.
He's saving his energy, which you should do too.
Zenitsu really did.
第19話
That's all he did was wait to say that. That was it.
Hanokami.
Nothing else. Just like amazing episodes. I love both. I love getting to see. What is the kid who we said was so
Was that
annoying?
17 and 18? I'm confused.
Yeah, that was-
Okay, so we have 8, 19, and 20
Yeah,
still.
we still got 19 and 20.
Got it.
Yeah.
I was thinking that was
19 and
episode
20 are
20. I'm like, we have to
Wednesdays.
wait till next week.
No. That's what I was saying. That when you said that, and I'm like, we got a 3-parter next
Yeah.
week. So 19 and 20 will be.
So
the
we
finisher.
still have 2 more episodes tomorrow. Yay!
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's why I didn't really get into it. I was
Yeah.
like, we're gonna come right back and watch it anyway.
Yeah.
So
Awesome.
I thought I love the fight scene. What is he's the one that we said was so annoying at first, but now we like him
Zenitsu? Yeah.
with the orange hair, who his hair changed.
Zenitsu.
Love seeing him go into his
Mm-hmm.
form. I have a feeling the butterfly girl's gonna take care of him now. I was glad to see.
Oh my God, I love
Took
her.
this dude long enough to show up. I knew he was gonna save the day. I was like, because Tanjiro's hands are full. Like
Yeah.
Tanjiro's got his hands full with the 2 siblings.
Yeah.
So
If I was a demon slayer, that's who I would be. Is her character.
right now I would have to say
The boar.
that the
What's his name? No.
Inosuke.
Inosuke.
But I
Inosuke.
would say the guy that showed up to save Inosuke. So
Oh, yeah.
I'd want to be him because he was badass.
So they were
and Tanjiro.
called-
I still like Tanjiro.
They were called on by the leaders because they found out that there
was a level 12.
Yeah.
So they're
in
going there to help 'em.
Yeah, that's
Right.
so cool.
Yeah. So
And what's so cool about it is that the young crew are seeing this older crew and how like developed they are, and
they're gonna see. They're getting
well, and how stoic and like calm and chill that guy is. Like I think that Inosuke's gonna really learn from that.
I think it's a little soon to say Inosuke's gonna
I think he will.
literally learn. I mean,
He'll learn.
He's gonna learn. He's already learning something. But
Well, he
like,
kept saying in that whole thing, damn it, you're going to make me use my brain. Damn it, I got to use my thoughts, because
Yeah.
he's so used to working on his animal instincts.
Yeah.
So I do feel like he's going to learn from him to be
Yeah.
more like calm and stoic before
Hopefully.
he freaks out. That's my thought.
I thought that was so funny when he called Tanjiro Kentaro or something as he was leaving.
we
That
know he
was
knows
so
his name
funny.
though. So
Well, he knows his name, but he keeps calling him the wrong, like saying it close. He's a lot like us,
Yeah.
guys. He is part of the D
he
clan.
is a lot. I was
So,
about to say,
where he knows the name, but he's just gonna say it in his own terms. Like we just spit names out there. So
that's
just
so
know
neat.
Inosuke is part of the D clan. That's why. That's how we roll.
yes, exactly. And Luffy too, how he calls people like nicknames.
Yeah.
I love it.
I was definitely raised in the wild, so That's what I'm sticking to. That's my theory, and I'm sticking to it.
I'll join you.
So, great episode.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Love this show.
I'm gonna
Can't wait to come back tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm excited for tomorrow's episodes too as well. So we're gonna wrap this up so we can edit this and get it out to you guys. So hope everybody's having a great week. Love you all.
Love you all.
See you in the comments and see you on the next one. All right.
Mwah.
Peace.
Peace.